How to reduce image size on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Then, select the desired photo you want to reduce the size of. After that, tap on the Details icon from the bottom panel to view the image size. Now, tap on Share icon and select Save to Files from the menu. Let's say, you want to save the image to the Download folder as shown. Exit the Photos app and go to Files. Over here, select on my iPhone from the Location menu and open the Download folder. From here, tap on the image you shared and select Quick Action from the pop-up. Now, select Convert Image from the drop-down menu. Here, select HEIF file format as it uses advanced compression resulting in smaller file sizes with similar or better image quality. Then, select the image size as small. The same image is now saved with a smaller file size. Following these steps, you can easily reduce image size on your phone.